Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find news about your favorite team's players in the Premier League application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing that, you will see that you have 5 options down below to click on. You should click on the more option. After doing that, and you scroll down a little bit, you will see that it says to me Arsenal player. Now in my case it's Arsenal because it is my favorite selected team, but in your version it should appear any other team that you have selected as favorite. Click on it, and here you can find everything, every newsworthy video clips, for example, everything that's trending about your team and its players. It's even categorized by man, woman, or academy, so it's a very useful site for a huge fan. And that would be it. I really hope this video was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.